Welcome to LowFlow Valve maintenance videos. This is a Mark 708 disassembly and rebuild video with quick change trim. These are the tools you will need: a ratchet, a torque wrench, snap ring pliers, 7/16 socket, 1/2 inch socket, 11/16 socket, 2 1/2 inch wrenches, 2 3/8 inch wrenches, 1/4 inch wrench, number 4 grease or equivalent, a pick, and Parker O-lube or equivalent. These are the items included in your repair kit: 2 10/24 nuts, a large washer used as your indicator scale, adapter, a large spring and a smaller spring that fits inside of it, 2 backup rings, an O-ring, 2 spacers, a set of 4-piece packing, a gland follower, a Teflon gasket, stem, seat, and plug. To remove the actuator, put a fitting in the lower case. Starting at 6 psi, supply sufficient air to lift the plug off the seat to the full open position. This will make the stem rise up. Be careful not to apply more than 20 psi to the actuator. Loosen the jam nuts to disconnect the valve stem from the actuator stem. Disconnect the stem from the adapter. The stems will disengage. To remove the yoke from the bonnet, remove the 2 gland follower nuts. Then remove the yoke nuts and bolts. Lift the yoke and actuator assembly off the bonnet. Remove the 2 jam nuts from the stem. Take off the gland follower. Using a pick, remove the packing. Remove the 4 body bonnet bolts. Take the body off. After you pull the body off, pull the plug and stem assembly through. The spring and spacers will come out freely. Lubricate the seat threads and flat surface with anti-seize or equivalent and thread the seat into the body. The part with the ring on it is our sealing surface, which will go down against the body. If you have a 3/4 inch valve size, torque it to 310 inch-pounds. If you have a 1/2 inch valve size, torque it to 240 inch-pounds. Place the bonnet in the vise. Set the Teflon gasket around the boss on the bonnet. Insert the stem and plug assembly. Carefully assemble the bonnet to the body and allow the plug center into the seat. Hand tighten the body bolts. While holding the plug firmly in position in the seat, secure the body to the bonnet with the bolts. Torque the bolts to 200 inch-pounds. Put the body assembly back into the vise. Make sure the flow is going from left to right. Install the spacer, the 2 springs, spacer, the packing. The bottom packing piece is flat on one side and the other 3 will sit on top. Apply number 4 grease. Finally, install the gland follower. Place the 2 jam nuts back onto the stem. Now insert the 2 longer screws into the slots on the bonnet. With the air on and stem up, have the flow arrow facing left to right. Place the follower onto the yoke and the yoke onto the bonnet. Thread the nuts onto the bolts. Place the bolts through the yoke and bonnet and hand tighten the nuts. Using 2 3/8 wrenches, tighten the 2 jam nuts together. Push the stem up and thread into the adapter until it bottoms out. Tighten the top nut up to the adapter. Tighten the bottom jam nut. Tighten the 2 packing nuts. Alternate side to side to ensure even compression. Tighten the 2 yoke bolts. With the air on, bring the stem down. Make sure the stem starts to move up at 5 psi. The stem will start to move at 5 psi. Once the valve is properly adjusted, tighten the top hex nut and then the bottom nut. The nut should be tightened to ensure the position indicating washer is properly placed. Your valve is now ready for service. If you have any questions about this video, please email us or call us at the phone number listed on the screen. Also, be sure to visit our website www.lowflowvalve.com for more information. Thanks for watching.